Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Bowhead Specialty Holdings. This is ticker BOW. Now, this is a stock that I've heard Dan Fitzpatrick at Stock Market Mentor talk about a handful of times, and for good reason, because this is a recent IPO that is near its all-time highs. And we can see today, as I've drawn this clear, downward sloping trend line. We had a break of that downward sloping trend line, and it didn't come on high volume, but it's showing a lot of strength in this market. And if we continue to see strength in things like SPY and things like QQQ, then my thought is Bow is probably going to test its all-time high here. And the thing with stocks that are recent issues, a lot of times if they can break and close above their all-time high, the probability is that it's going to keep making new highs. So I would definitely keep an eye on Bow for a move above the all-time high here, maybe have an alert right around 42.30. And if it gets above and holds above 42.30 and does it on good volume, I think you might have a nice little momentum trade here. Now, just a quick reminder, they do have earnings coming up on Tuesday, May the 6th. So it's kind of a trade you want to take, but I'd probably wait till after earnings to hold any risk overnight. So I hope that video is helpful. That's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll catch you next time.